Bouvet Island and the most remote island in the world. When French commander Jean-Baptiste Charles Bouvet de Lozier discovered Bouvet Island in 1739, it was almost entirely covered by glaciers, distinguishing it from other islands. Bouvet Island is regarded as one of the world's most isolated islands and lies about 2,400 kilometers southwest of the Cape of Good Hope in southern Africa and about 1,600 kilometers north of the mainland of Antarctica. In this video, we will take you on a journey to Bouvet Island and give a brief account of the discovery, nature, and general characteristics of this uninhabitable island. As we get the ball rolling, we encourage you to watch until the end. Brief history of Bouvet Island. After Jean-Baptiste Charles Bouvet de Lozier discovered Bouvet Island, there was wild excitement. Regrettably, the coordinates were incorrectly reported at its initial sighting. Consequently, Bouvet Island was lost until a British whaler named James Lindsay rediscovered it in 1808. There were several disputes about the island's name and which nation should control it, but Norway was finally given the honor in 1930. Due to its remote location, Bouvet Island has not been a popular destination. Therefore, it was surprising when an abandoned lifeboat was discovered there in April 1964. This discovery prompted an examination of the island. However, there was no evidence of human existence. The placement of the boat suggests that people who were once on board could have easily gotten onto the island, but there was no proof of this, which left researchers in doubt. Due to the remote location, unknown early history, and mystery of the abandoned lifeboat, it is no wonder that Bouvet Island has attracted the imagination of many writers, and the mystery surrounding the island will remain unsolved. Geographic features of Bouvet Island. Over 40 years ago, Bouvet Island was officially designated a nature reserve. Norway, regarded as the northwestern section of Bouvet Island, is the only spot where people can easily access the island. This area is mostly free of ice and is home to a weather station located there. The northwestern portion of Bouvet Island features a lot of rough terrain, including gravel, lava rocks, and boulders. Many researchers have worked in the accessible region of the island, and between 1996 and 2006, a field station was located and destroyed in an earthquake. There are creatures like penguins and fur seals on the island that provide the perfect habitat for the macaroni penguins because of its rocky slopes, which serves as a breeding ground for them. It is estimated that over 4,500 macaroni penguins live on Bouvet Island. Several other bird species inhabit the island. Notable among them is the snow petrels. Due to its rich mixture of penguins, seabirds, and marine life, Bouvet Island is an intriguing destination for all wildlife enthusiasts, and plant lovers will appreciate the island's algae, mosses, and at least one species of mushroom. Climatic conditions on Bouvet Island. The island's geographical position makes it prone to heavy clouds and haze. The temperature can dip as low as -1 Celsius, with an average September temperature of -3 Celsius. The monthly high means temperatures fluctuate little throughout the year, and the peak temperature of 14 Celsius was recorded in March 1980. The island experiences a weak west wind and has the lowest and meanest temperatures, but spot temperatures as high as 20 Celsius have been recorded in sunny weather on rock faces. The harsh weather and frozen ground restrict non-living organisms to mushrooms and non-vascular plants. Vegetation is sparse on the coastal cliffs, capes, and beaches due to the ice cover. As this video ends, it is significant to state that the exclusive economic zone surrounding Bouvet Island covers an area of 441,163 square kilometers. The Commission for the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources is responsible for ensuring compliance with resource laws and guidelines. The 27-member commission also includes Norway, a dependent on the island despite its absence from the southern region covered by the Antarctic Treaty System. How much do you know about Bouvet Island? Did you enjoy the video and would like to share your insights? Let us know what you think in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.